Hello guys, in this video we will be talking about something called as Modgen. Okay? As a layout engineer, be it analog, digital or any of the profiles, as and when you grow in your career, it becomes very important for you to upskill yourself. So when it comes to a layout engineer, your speed, your efficiency and the quality of layout, what you deliver becomes very important. So the whole turnaround time of your tape out effectively depends on your uh, efficient way of doing the layout styles. Okay. So what we are trying to learn in this session over here is there are lots of features in different tools. We'll just try to emphasize on something called as the Modgen over here, wherein it does help layout engineers make their life easy. Some of them find it a little clumsy, a little complex, but then there are ways of utilizing some subsets of this tool to be able to help you do your job much more faster. So we'll be talking about this in this whole video over here. So we'll be taking an example of a pass transistor, just to show you that if at all there are n number of transistors, you can do it with basic editing commands as well, using align, using uh, tiling options and so on and so forth. But then there are some features in the tool wherein which you can utilize them efficiently and try to make some connections. This is just simple example over here. I've taken a pass transistor, but then if at all there are n number of devices, if you have to connect, what's the easiest and quickest way for you to make connections? Okay, so we'll discuss these two test cases. One is your pass transistor, and the other one we'll be discussing is your op-amp. So we know that analog layouts are basically a bunch of current mirrors and differential pairs. So whenever you have these electrical structures, matching plays a very important role, and it is mandatory that you do it. So if at all there are less number of devices, you go with the manual approach. But if there are tens of devices and lots of matching to be done in the layout, it takes a decent amount of time for you to be able to match them, add the dummies, add the guard rings, do the floor plan and all of that stuff. So in this session, we'll also be talking about how to do matching, how to use Modgen efficiently, wherein we can try and expedite the whole work of doing matching and all of that stuff, right? But yes, there are routing options as well. But in this video, we'll be sticking on to how to arrange the devices, how to do matching and make the best use of it so that you can expedite your layout work. So this complete session is all it's a free available video on Semiotics Academy, wherein you can just log into that and have a look at it. Okay? So you can also connect with us on all of these platforms. Basically, the Semiotics Academy. You can follow us on LinkedIn page. You can connect with us on a WhatsApp group as well as a Telegram, and you can visit our website to know more about lots of such courses. Okay, and lots of video sessions. These are basically for all the freshers, trained candidates, and even working professionals or people who want to enhance their skills, or even if they're looking out for a job, any XYZ reasons, they are feel free to, have a look at the website. So you can reach out to us on either of these emails, as well as, we are available on all of these platforms. So I will be giving a link in the description below wherein you can access the course for free at Semiotics Academy, and try to connect with us so that we'll be able to help you better. Thank you.